Welcome everyone. Put the auto-generated YouTube subtitles in French or your mother tongue to get everything. And slow down or speed up the pace as needed. If you don't have time to watch it, just listen this video as a podcast while doing something else. Today, we will learn some English for the workplace. We will follow Sarah. Sarah works in an office. She has a busy day ahead of her. We will learn useful words and phrases. These are helpful for your job. Learning English for work is important, especially if you are taking the TOEIC test. The TOEIC test is for people who want to use English at work. By following Sarah's day, you will learn practical English. You will see how to use English in real situations. This lesson is for people who know a little English. Maybe you are learning English for your job. You will learn basic phrases. You will learn about common office situations. Let's join Sarah at work. It's a beautiful morning. The sun is shining. Sarah arrives at the office. She's ready for a new day. "Good morning, Tom," she says to a colleague. "How are you?" "Good morning, Sarah. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?" he replies. "I'm great, thanks," Sarah says. "I need to check my emails and get started on my tasks." She goes to her desk and turns on her computer. "I have a meeting at 10 a.m., she thinks. "I need to review the agenda beforehand." In an office, it's important to be polite and greet your colleagues. Remember these phrases: good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how are you? "I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?" These simple greetings can make a big difference in creating a friendly work environment. The clock strikes 10, signaling the start of another important day at the office. It's time for the team meeting, a crucial part of the workday where ideas are shared and plans are made. Sarah joins her colleagues in the meeting room, ready to contribute and collaborate. "Good morning, everyone," says Keita, the team leader. "Let's begin the meeting." His voice carries a tone of enthusiasm and purpose. Today we'll be discussing the progress of the new marketing project, a key initiative for our company's growth this quarter. Sarah takes notes diligently as Keita presents the agenda, ensuring she captures every detail. They talk about deadlines, budgets, and the next steps, each point critical to the project's success. "Does anyone have any questions?" Keita asks, opening the floor for discussion. Sarah raises her hand confidently. "Yes, I have a question about the presentation," she says, her voice clear and inquisitive. They discuss the presentation and make some decisions, each contributing their expertise to refine the plan. Meetings are a big part of office life, serving as a platform for collaboration and decision-making. Here are some useful phrases to navigate these meetings effectively. Let's begin. The agenda for today is, any questions? These phrases help in structuring the meeting and keeping it on track. "I have a question about," is a great way to seek clarification and ensure everyone is on the same page. Let's move to the next point. Helps in transitioning smoothly between topics. Remember to listen carefully and participate in the discussion. Active participation not only shows engagement but also drives the meeting towards productive outcomes. Brainstorming sessions during meetings can lead to innovative solutions and fresh perspectives. As the meeting wraps up, summarizing the key points ensures everyone leaves with a clear understanding of their tasks. With the meeting concluded, Sarah and her colleagues head back to their desks, ready to implement the discussed plans. The energy from the meeting carries over into their work, driving the team towards achieving their goals. An hour has passed since the meeting began, and the team is already making strides on their tasks. David checks in with his team, ensuring everyone is on track and offering support where needed. Amidst the hard work, there are moments of camaraderie and laughter, strengthening the team's bond. Navigating an office meeting effectively can set a positive tone for the entire day, fostering a productive and collaborative work environment. conversation. May I ask who's calling? This phrase helps in identifying the caller and understanding the context of the call. Can I take a message? This is useful when the person the caller wants to speak to is unavailable. I'll pass on the message. Ensuring that messages are relayed accurately is crucial for effective communication. Emails. Dear name, please find attached. Starting your email with a polite greeting sets a positive tone. Best regards sincerely. Ending your email with a courteous closing leaves a good impression. Remember to be polite and professional in all your communication. Whether it's a phone call or an email, your tone and choice of words reflect your professionalism and respect for the recipient. Lunch break, casual chats, and building relationships. It's lunchtime. Sarah joins her colleagues in the break room. How's your day going, Sarah? Asks Sanvi, a co-worker. It's going well, Sarah replies. The meeting was productive. How about you? It's busy as always, Sanvi laughs. Do you have any plans for the weekend? They chat about their plans and enjoy their lunch. Lunchtime is a great opportunity to relax and socialize with your colleagues. Here are some conversation starters. How's your day going? What are you having for lunch? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Did you watch the game last night? Remember, building good relationships with your colleagues can make your work life more enjoyable. Back to business tackling afternoon tasks. After lunch, Sarah returns to her desk. She has a lot of tasks to complete. I need to finish this report by 5 p.m., she thinks. The deadline is approaching. She focuses on her work, analyzing data and writing her report. She also checks her schedule for upcoming deadlines. Managing your tasks and meeting deadlines is crucial in any job. Here are some useful phrases. I need to complete task by time. The deadline for project is date. I'm working on it. I'm almost finished. Remember to prioritize your tasks and manage your time effectively. Clocking out. Wrapping up the day and practicing your skills. As the clock ticks closer to the end of the workday, the office begins to wind down. Employees start to pack up their belongings, and the atmosphere shifts from the hustle and bustle of productivity to a more relaxed and reflective mood. As the day comes to an end, Sarah finishes her report. She has been working diligently on it all day, ensuring every detail is perfect. The satisfaction of completing a task well done is evident on her face. She sends it to her manager and organizes her desk. Tidying up her workspace not only helps her feel more prepared for the next day, but also gives her a sense of closure for the day's work. Good night, everyone, she says to her colleagues as she leaves the office. The camaraderie among the team is palpable, and these small gestures of farewell strengthen their bonds. See you tomorrow. Good night, Sarah, they reply. These daily interactions, though brief, contribute to a positive and supportive work environment. Sarah had a productive day at the office. She managed to complete her tasks efficiently and even learned a few new things along the way. She used a lot of English today. Communicating in English has become an integral part of her daily routine, and she feels more confident with each passing day. Learning new words and phrases is great. Sarah makes it a point to jot down any new vocabulary she comes across, knowing that expanding her lexicon is crucial for her professional growth. But it's important to practice. Simply knowing the words isn't enough. Using them in context is what truly helps in mastering a language. Try to use these phrases in your own workplace. Engaging in conversations with colleagues is a practical way to reinforce what you've learned. Here are some ways to practice your workplace English. Incorporating English into your daily routine can be both fun and beneficial. Watch English language TV shows and movies. This not only helps with understanding different accents and dialects, but also introduces you to common phrases used in various contexts. Pay attention to the phrases they use in work situations. Notice how characters interact in professional settings and try to mimic their language patterns. You can use subtitles in your language if that helps you. This can make it easier to follow along and understand the nuances of the conversation. Listen to English language podcasts or audiobooks. These are great for improving your listening skills and can be done during your commute or while doing other tasks. Choose topics that interest you or are relevant to your work. This will keep you engaged and make the learning process more enjoyable. Practice speaking English with a friend or colleague. Having a practice partner can make the experience more interactive and less intimidating. You can even role-play common workplace situations. This is a great way to prepare for real-life interactions and build your confidence. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Confidence is key when it comes to language learning, and regular practice will help you achieve it. Good luck with your English learning journey. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to fluency. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and enjoy the process. Please like this video to support my work. Don't forget to subscribe to get more English stories. Thank you all for watching this video.